What's the meaning of catching? Catching. Catching.
Catching. Catching. Catching can have multiple meanings depending on the context in which it is used. Generally, it refers to the act of capturing or grasping something that is moving or falling. It can also mean being infected by a disease or virus. In sports, it means intercepting a ball or successfully making contact with it. Additionally, catching can be used to describe a feeling of understanding or comprehending something. Overall, catching is a versatile word that can have different meanings depending on the situation.